Okay, maybe I didn't write it, but I adapted it so if you can catch on, sing along. Here we go. Sun and a palm tree. Trapped into me. Two dolphins swimming. Sun and a palm tree. All right, Sherry, no pressure, you got this. Still made out of sand. How we doing over here, folks? All right. Okay, how we doing on this side? Just louder and louder each time. How are we doing in the center? There are 883 within the barrier chain, although only about 30 of them are inhabited, making it an absolute paradise. Well, let's give it up for the traders, come on! Yes! Oh, we made it! Woo! Thank you so much for letting me spend some time and energy with you and giving you a little taste of what the holidays are like here in the Keys. Looks like we're about to begin though, so before we do, if for any reason you need to leave before we finish, we just ask that you exit up towards the top. It's important for our trainers that we keep this lower pathway clear until the very end of the presentation. All right, it looks like we're about set. Happy holidays, happy 2023, and let's have some fun!
So It's our hope that you leave here knowing a lot more about these amazing animals and have renewed respect for the oceans and waterways we share with them. Let's kick things off by introducing you to some of the dolphins we take care of every day. Coming up is Starbuck and Beretta. Starbuck and Beretta, they're bottlenose dolphins, which are just one of several different types of whales and dolphins, also known as cetaceans, that can be found along the Florida coast. All the dolphins that you'll see here today, they're born at our SeaWorld parks, and they range in ages from 17 all the way to 44 years old. After today's presentation, be sure to visit us over at Dolphin Cove to learn more and get a closer look at these amazing marine mammals. Alright, now that you've been to our pond, let's dive in and talk about what makes dolphins so cool. Nature has given them some amazing adaptations that allow them to navigate, forage, and play, like the bowl on top of their head. That's where they breathe from and make a wide range of vocalizations. Let's listen in. Dolphins, they hold their breath while they forage for their prey, which largely consist of fish, squid, and the occasional crustacean to catch. Fast-moving and slippery prey, they use their powerful tails to reach speeds up to 22 miles per hour. They can also use their powerful tails to get a better look above the surface and get all the way up and out of the water.
That is right, Kimmy. Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and let me tell you guys, the opportunity to spend time with dolphins can bring out the child in any of us. And childhood memories can often last a lifetime. So that's why today, we want to inspire our young SeaWorld guests the same way our dolphin trainers were inspired on the first visits to the park. So hello there, who do we have here? What's your name? JJ, nice to meet you. I'm JJ, where are you from? He is from his house. And where is his house? All the way to Washington. Let's give him a big SeaWorld welcome. JJ, today you're going to help me demonstrate how we are able to build a relationship with the dolphins. But in order to do that, we need to get you a little bit closer. So how about you take another step? Yep, one more. Right next to a 24-foot drop. When we first met, we shook hands. In order to say hello to Starbuck, you gotta shake his flipper. So JJ, say hello to Starbuck. Starbuck, say hello to JJ. That was so cool. JJ, there are different ways for you to be able to build a relationship with dolphins. And another one is to feed them some fish. So how about you go ahead and put your hands together, just like that. And I'm gonna give you fish for you to give to Starbuck. Just toss them in. Yep, just like that. And that one too. Look at that, JJ. You just got to feed a dolphin. Pretty cool. Uh-oh, JJ. Look at your hands. Fish guts. Smell them. Ew. But don't worry. I know exactly how we can get rid of that. Go ahead and show your hands to Starbuck. You can stand up nice and tall, just like me. Then put them together. You're going to run them real fast. Faster than that, JJ. Faster than that. And then you're going to dry them off. It's gonna be one long ride back home to Washington. There are other ways for you to be able to build a relationship with the dolphins, JJ, like giving them a back rub. So how about we have you put both your knees on the floor, just like me. Yeah, just like that. And how about we have you give them a back rub? Yeah, you can touch. Pretty cool, huh? How does it feel? Yes, like a dolphin, squishy and slimy. Now, I'm gonna tell you a secret about Starbuck. He has a tickle spot and it is located right there. So how about you go ahead and tickle him, just like that. Oh wait, JJ! I think you found it. JJ, I will have you splash it back. but there's no way you're gonna win at a splashing game with a dolphin. So let's go ahead and try something else instead. Oh, I got it. How about we have you have him jump real high up in the air? Sounds like a plan. Okay, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna stand facing me. You're gonna look at Starbuck, and when I tell you, you're gonna clap your hands one time as big as you can. You got it, JJ? He's watching you. Are you ready? Go! He saw you, JJ, and check it out. This is just for you. Oh, look at that. And check it out. Look how fast he did a second one. Even cooler. And look how fast he gets back here, huh? JJ, you have been incredible. How about we have you give him more fish? Here, take that fish. You can feed it to Starbuck. No, look at your hands once again. Fish guts. Do you remember what to do? Show them to Starbuck. Run them real fast. Faster than that. And then what? Well played. Did you tell him to do that? Did you tell him to do that? Oh yeah? It was all him, huh? JJ, you have been incredible. But there's one more thing for you to do, and that is to wave goodbye to your new friend Starbuck. So wave to him. Hey everyone, that was JJ and Starbuck.
Well, Jaden, we just had an adventure. What about you? Are you ready for more? That's great. There's a whole other group of dolphins for you to discover. Dolphins, they're innately curious. And on the ocean, this can lead them to explore polluted waters or play with trash. So what can we all do to help? Small actions have big impacts. Recycle. Join a beach cleanup. Pop a discard of plastic bottles and fishing line. Better yet, choose reusable items to reduce the amount of waste we produce. Small actions like these can protect ocean life every day. You know, Alex and I are just two of over 350 soon-evolved professionals on the SeaWorld team. Collectively, this team not only provides world-class care for these dolphins, but has also facilitated and rescued over 40,000 animals with the goal to rehabilitate and return animals to their natural habitats. Your visit today matters. Without your help, we wouldn't be able to do any of this good work and save wildlife that needs our help. On behalf of our entire animal care team, we say thank you. When we care for our world and take action on behalf of the animals that call home, that's a legacy worth leaving behind. And that legacy is what we're celebrating.
Take this
otherwise will you discover today? Enjoy the rest of your adventure here at SeaWorld. Goodbye, everyone.